Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have the Quilty Box August 2020, which just happens to be Giucy Giuce. I got my first Quilty Box last month, which was Tulip Pink, and it was amazing. It was totally worth it. And this next month was supposed to be Giucy Giuce, and I had never heard of him before as a designer. And I went ahead onto Facebook and I said, hey, who is this guy? You know, what is he about? Do you guys like him? And he just had the most amazing reviews. People just liked him in general as a person. He's so kind. Apparently that's what I've been told. And then his designs are just so bold and beautiful. He had one line that was more on like science based, and since I have a degree in chemistry as well as a master's in nano engineering, I can appreciate science prints. And his patterns are also amazing. So I'm just super excited for this box. So let's get started. Let me show you what the box looks like. So first, let's talk about Quilty Box in general. They've been revamping their packaging. And so this was last month's packaging. This was for the Tulip Pink box. And this is what the new packaging looks like. So this box is $44 a month. It is a subscription. You can purchase, I believe, in 1 month, 3 month, maybe 6 month, and 12 month. Don't quote me on that. If I'm wrong, I'll post it down below what the actual increments are. So it's $44 a month. You do get a discount for purchasing more than one box at a time, the subscription. Anyway, and shipping is included to the US. So this isn't like, you know, a surprise a couple weeks after you purchase this box that you all of a sudden get this higher charge than you were prepared to get. So $44, that's it. There may be tax. I'm going to check my statement, and I will also list that below. If I'm wrong, if there's tax, I will let you guys know in the little text box below. All right, so let's get started. First, this is what it looks like. And on top, we have a Bundles of Inspiration magazine. I do believe that this counts towards the overall cost of your box. So typically in this little magazine, you'll have a little message from Jake, who's the CEO. You'll have what's inside the Quilty Box as well as the prices for each item, so you can kind of tally it up at the end and see if your box was worth it. You'll also have what was inside the English paper piecing box. Now this one is the classic Quilty Box. I don't know how to English paper piece. One day I will give it a try. I was actually just on iHeart Tulip Pink this morning, kind of looking over the hexes, and I don't know, it looks difficult, but it looks like the end result is so worth it. Anyway, maybe one day. And then also you'll have a little bit about Giucy Giuce, which is exciting. So I want to read up on this later. Let's see. And then you'll have your patterns, of course. I'll go ahead and show you the pattern at the end for this classic Quilty Box. Oh, there's two. Are there two? Yeah. Okay, there's three. All right, so I will show you the patterns at the end once we've seen the fabric and everything, because I don't want to give anything away. All right, so let's take a look at what's inside. I'm gonna go ahead and consult my handy dandy Bundles of Inspiration book. This is something I've never seen before, so this is really interesting, but this is a slice precision cutter. It's a safety blade. I don't know what, doesn't really have a description, but let's see. I mean, this is a really thin blade. It looks like it might be a ceramic blade. I'm not really sure. Okay. So I guess their claim to fame is that their blades never rust, they're non-conductive, they're chemically inert, and they're non-magnetic. So yes, there it goes. Okay, slice ceramic technology. So I was right. 1 point for me. All right, anyway, that's pretty neat. I don't know what I would use that for. I used to work in part marketing. We had like stencils and we kind of like weed the stencils, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to think of a use for this and maybe get back to you. If you guys have a good idea of what this could be used for or what you personally would use it for, please let me know in the comments down below. I'd really love to hear what your thoughts are on this product. All right, let's take a look at the next item. Ooh, okay, I'm excited. Okay, so the next thing is this wonderful thread. Hopefully it's not blurry. This retails for $4.99. It's really pretty. It's like dark green, light green, some blue. It looks like we get a custom template from Giucy Giuce himself. It's etched on there. Yeah, I can feel the etch. It's etched on there, so it's laser cut, laser engraved. And this retails for $12. And this is specifically for our quilt. It's called the Seaglass quilt. I'll show you what that looks like towards the end. And it looks like we might have another template or a keychain or something. Oh, okay. This is a seam gauge. So I'll show it to you. Hopefully you can see the lines. So this seam gauge was designed by Giucy Giuce himself, and it retails for $8.50. Oh, okay. It has the measurements on the side to let you know what your seam allowance is. So it looks like it goes through 1/8 up to 2 1/4. And then it has a handy little keychain and a hole. It's gonna be hard to tell, but a little hole cut out at the top there. Finally, the main reveal, the fabric. And this is the Prism fabric bundle. Okay, this retails for $30. $30. Okay, let's see if we can go through this. So that's pretty cool. It's like a jean material. Some kind of messy stripes. Is there any? Okay. Ooh, look at that. It's like a geo design. Super, super cool. I know my husband will like that. Oh, okay. I actually, now that I'm seeing this paint swatches, I did see his collection online. So that's super cute. So the blues and the greens are kind of keeping with the thread that we got. So that's pretty neat. So it's like a paint splatter, another geo design. It looks like probably the same one, just a different colorway, just like this teal. And then kind of more paint splotches, but with some writing. So that's pretty neat. All right, so let's look at the quilt pattern now. I won't show you how to go about making this quilt, but I will show you what the finished product looks like. And it looks like this quilt finishes at 60.5 by 64.5. And you will be using that template that Giucy Giuce gave us. Okay. There's also a pillow on here, and it looks like this is also for the classic box. So let's see. There's 3 versions of the pillow, so I can go ahead and just show you that really quick. And each pillow measures 16.5 by 16.5. Those are the 3 options. All right, and then the next 2 items are actually for the English paper piecing. I got really excited thinking, oh my God, they're for me and I can do these as well because they're so cool. But I did not get that box. So here's what the paper pieces pattern will look like. And that is really, really neat. They're half hexies. Okay, and then there's also another pattern that comes with the paper piecing. And this, I mean, I don't know. I feel like this could be done with flying geese. I don't even know. It doesn't say anything about paper piecing. Oh, maybe? No. It doesn't say anything about paper piecing only. I don't think so. I mean, maybe this could just be done with flying geese. So what do you guys think? Some pillows there. I don't know. All right, so that's pretty neat. Oh, okay, cool. I didn't see this, but it looks like there's also a subscriber spotlight, which is so nice. I mean, that's like, you know, really personal. I like that Quilty Box does that. That's nice. Let's see. Oh, there's a sneak peek. Okay, so should we show the sneak peek? Okay, I don't know who these people are either. I'll have to research. Oh, they're Robert Kaufman. Okay, I love all of Robert Kaufman's stuff, so I'm sure I will like whatever they have cooked up for us. And it looks like a guest designer, Leslie. Okay, she works with Procyon. Nice. Okay, so I do use fiber active dyes as well when I tie dye, so that's neat. So she works directly with cloth using fiber reactive dyes. Okay, cool. So there's the last bit. All right, now that we've gone through all of our box, I want to go ahead and add up the total of our items. Remember, it was $44 to subscribe. That included shipping. So let's go ahead and tally up what our total is. I tallied up our total and it looks like we're at $64.50 for the contents of this box. We only paid $44, so we're making out $20. That's awesome. So if you want to be surprised every month like me, go ahead and sign up for the Quilty Box at quiltybox.com. It's probably paperpieces.com. I don't know. Let's see. All right, go ahead and check out quiltybox.com if you'd like to subscribe to this box. Once again, our contents were valued at $64.50 and the box itself was only $44. Therefore, we made out $20 in the deal and we got some exclusive items directly from Giucy Giuce himself. I don't know if they'll be available for purchase somewhere, but I think it's really exciting that we get them first. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please let us know in the comments below. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to continue viewing our channel. We do get the Quilty Box once a month. We also get the Sew Sampler Box, as you can see behind me, and we will be doing unboxings for both of those every month right here on our channel. So thank you so much for joining us, and I hope you have a wonderful Friday. Bye.